because I like asking the theoretical questions. So what is cross-validation, guys? Go ahead and put it in the chat. If you don't want, if you're not comfortable, that's okay. You can just hang back. No one's gonna call on you. You don't have to answer if you don't want to. But I'm gonna give you guys a minute. Give me your elevator pitch, your brief explanation of cross-validation. Give you guys a minute to think about that. Kozeko says, are the other Sunday classes recorded? Yes, absolutely they are. So if you want to come this Sunday, but you want to get caught up, go ahead and go to my YouTube, look in my videos, and you'll see them there. And I call the videos Introduction to Statistical Learning. So there's 2 of them so far. You're welcome to go there, maybe get up to speed a little bit. Maybe you want to download the book, the PDF of the book. And then maybe come and join us, and you should be ready to go. No one gets called in the class. You don't have to worry about having to participate. You just want to hang back and learn. That's totally fine. But you can find the classes on YouTube. Data Science with Dennis. All right, so giving you guys a minute here to think about what is cross-validation. Give me your elevator pitch on cross-validation.